always moisturize before you put foundation on. It doesn't matter whether the foundation is moisturized, has moisturizer in it or not, you still want to moisturize. Otherwise your face will get super dry. Take garnet. I'm going to start with my brows. Always use garnet for my brows. They're black, but this turns a little bit lighter, so it's not too dark, but it still fills them in. So I have an angled brush right here. Just going to open up the top like that and take from the base. I'm going to start from the bottom. Garnet. And then I'm going to take candlelight. I'm gonna put it over my eyes, just like this, just to prime. I can use the warmth of my finger. Mocha Java Shimmer. And open this up. Just gonna take from here. And I'm gonna blend that all over. You wanna hold lightly on the end of your brush. Just lightly gloss over. I wanna go a little bit into my crease. A little bit right here. Not too much though, you don't wanna go all the way up. Just a little bit into your crease. I'm gonna put some rose gold glitter. foundation. You can either use the dewy, or I use dewy foundation, but I mostly use the color correcting tinted moisturizer in the color medium. Like, it is more sheer coverage, but I like it better because of the moisturizer in it, whereas the foundations are more used for oily skin. So the cctm will be used for more dry skin, and so this is why I use the cctm. Okay, I'm gonna pump. And now I'm gonna outline the nose. Blackberry lipsense. Shake it. And this is going to go on the bottom of my lips, and it's going to come out more. So I'm using a non-Senegence mascara. Sometimes I only use it when I do fake lashes. So when I don't wear any fake lashes, then I use the lash sense. But I'm just gonna put on fake lashes so you can just kind of see what the finished product looks like with a bunch. So I didn't do any under eye for eyeshadow, but you can. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This is just like a rare occasion that I did not. Oop. Okay. So I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. It's a really good mascara, but it's non-waterproof. And so it smudges more easily. So I'm like, I need my lash sense. But I love it still. I just got mine from Target, and it was still pretty good. And here's the final look. Still won't come off. And this stuff won't come off either. So here's the finished look of the Scarecrow. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want the products, I will list them down below. And then if you also want the Halloween starter pack, those come with maybe a little bit different product. They use different products than I used, but still works. You can also use blush for the cheeks instead of persimmon or any other kind of bright lip sense. But here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do it, tag us, and I'm excited to see your looks. Thank you.